Imagine controlling a computer with just your thoughts. A world where the boundaries between human cognition and digital interfaces blur seamlessly. Picture a world where you can turn on the lights, write an email, or even drive a car, all without lifting a finger. This isn't a distant dream, but a rapidly approaching reality. Imagine the convenience and efficiency of performing daily tasks with mere thoughts, transforming how we interact with our environment. This is the astonishing potential of mind-machine interfaces, or MMIs, a revolutionary technology poised to redefine the relationship between humanity and technology. MMIs are not just a technological advancement, they represent a paradigm shift in how we perceive and interact with the digital world. MMIs are bridging the gap between the electrical signals of our brains and the digital world, opening up a universe of possibilities that were once confined to the realm of science fiction. The integration of our cognitive processes with digital interfaces could revolutionize industries from healthcare to entertainment and beyond. For centuries, we have relied on our bodies to interact with the world around us. We use our hands to manipulate objects, our voices to communicate, and our senses to perceive the environment. These physical interactions have defined our experiences and capabilities. But what if we could bypass these physical limitations and tap directly into the source of our thoughts and intentions, the brain? Imagine the possibilities if our thoughts could directly influence the world around us. MMIs offer us this extraordinary capability, promising a future where our minds become the ultimate remote control. This technology could empower individuals in ways we have never imagined. The potential applications are vast, from enhancing productivity to providing new forms of entertainment and communication. Promising a future where our minds become the ultimate remote control, MMIs could transform how we live, work and play. This isn't just the stuff of Hollywood movies. The science fiction of yesterday is becoming the science fact of today. Researchers and engineers around the world are making remarkable strides in developing and refining MMIs, bringing this technology closer to reality with each passing day. Their work is laying the foundation for a new era of human-computer interaction. Bringing this technology closer to reality with each passing day, these advancements are not just theoretical, but are being tested and implemented in real-world scenarios. From restoring mobility to those with paralysis, to unlocking new frontiers in artistic expression, MMIs have the potential to revolutionize countless aspects of our lives. They offer hope and new possibilities for those who have been limited by physical constraints. To unlocking new frontiers in artistic expression, MMIs are enabling artists and musicians to create in ways that were previously unimaginable. MMIs have the potential to revolutionize countless aspects of our lives, from how we control our homes to how we express our creativity. As we stand on the cusp of this mind-boggling technological revolution, it's imperative that we explore the possibilities and implications of MMIs, both the extraordinary opportunities and the ethical considerations they present. It's imperative that we explore the possibilities and implications of MMIs, both the extraordinary opportunities and the ethical considerations they present. The integration of such technology into our daily lives raises important questions about privacy, security, and the nature of human experience. As we navigate this new frontier, we must consider the ethical implications, ensuring that this powerful technology is used responsibly and for the benefit of all humanity. The human brain is an incredibly complex organ, a symphony of electrical impulses firing constantly between billions of neurons. These neurons communicate with each other through a network of synapses, creating a dynamic and ever-changing landscape of activity. These electrical signals are the language of the brain, conveying information, triggering actions, and shaping our thoughts and experiences. Every thought, memory, and action is a result of these intricate patterns of neural activity. MMIs, or mind-machine interfaces, work by eavesdropping on this intricate neural conversation. They decode the brain's electrical signals and translate them into digital commands that can be understood by computers and other devices. This process involves sophisticated algorithms and advanced technology to accurately interpret the brain's complex signals.
There are two primary types of MMIs, invasive and non-invasive. Each type has its own set of advantages and challenges, depending on the application and the level of precision required. Invasive MMIs involve implanting electrodes directly into the brain tissue, providing the most direct and high-fidelity recordings of neural activity. This method allows for precise control and detailed monitoring of specific brain regions. This approach has shown great promise in restoring movement to paralyzed individuals, allowing them to control robotic limbs or even their own muscles with their thoughts. The potential for improving the quality of life for those with severe disabilities is immense.
Non-invasive MMIs, on the other hand, rely on sensors placed on the scalp to detect the faint electrical signals emanating from the brain. These sensors can pick up brainwave patterns without the need for surgery, making the process much safer and more accessible. Electroencephalography, or EEG, is a common non-invasive technique used in MMIs. It employs a cap fitted with electrodes to measure brainwaves, capturing the electrical activity of the brain from the surface of the scalp. While non-invasive MMIs may not offer the same level of precision as invasive methods, they are safer, more accessible, and are rapidly advancing in their capabilities. Researchers are continually improving the sensitivity and accuracy of these devices, making them more effective for a wider range of applications. Regardless of the approach, the fundamental principle remains the same. MMIs act as interpreters between the electrical language of the brain and the digital language of computers. By bridging this gap, they enable a direct communication pathway between our minds and machines. By deciphering the patterns and nuances of our brain activity, MMIs can transform our thoughts into actions. This opens up a world of possibilities for communication, control, and creative expression, allowing us to interact with technology in ways that were once the realm of science fiction. The future of MMIs holds incredible potential for enhancing human capabilities and transforming how we interact with the world around us. For individuals living with paralysis or limb loss, the ability to move freely and interact with the world can seem like a distant dream. The simple acts of walking, holding a loved one's hand, or even typing on a keyboard become monumental challenges that can feel insurmountable. MMIs, or motor-machine interfaces, are emerging as powerful tools to restore lost function and empower people with disabilities to regain independence and control over their lives. These interfaces bridge the gap between the human brain and external devices, translating thoughts into actions.
Imagine a person with quadriplegia, unable to move their arms or legs. The frustration and helplessness can be overwhelming, but MMIs offer a glimmer of hope. With the help of an invasive MMI, electrodes implanted in their motor cortex, the part of the brain responsible for movement, can detect the neural signals associated with their intention to move. These signals are then decoded by sophisticated algorithms. These signals are then relayed to a prosthetic limb, a robotic exoskeleton, or other assistive devices, enabling the user to perform tasks that were once impossible, or even a computer cursor, allowing the individual to control these devices with their thoughts. This technology opens up new avenues for communication and interaction with the digital world, allowing the individual to control these devices with their thoughts. The precision and responsiveness of these systems continue to improve, making them more intuitive and user-friendly.
The impact of this technology on the lives of people with disabilities is profound. It not only restores physical capabilities, but also enhances emotional well-being by providing a sense of normalcy and self-sufficiency. MMIs have enabled paralyzed individuals to feed themselves, drink from a cup, and even walk again. These seemingly simple actions can significantly improve the quality of life and boost self-esteem. These advancements not only restore physical function, but also provide a renewed sense of agency and hope. The psychological benefits are immense as individuals regain a sense of purpose and autonomy. Beyond restoring mobility, MMIs are also being explored as a means to treat a wide range of neurological disorders such as epilepsy, Parkinson's disease, and depression. The potential applications of this technology are vast and varied. By monitoring brain activity and delivering targeted stimulation, MMIs have the potential to alleviate symptoms and improve the quality of life for millions of people. This innovative approach could revolutionize the treatment of neurological conditions, offering new hope to those who suffer from these debilitating disorders. Art is a fundamental form of human expression, a way to communicate emotions, ideas, and experiences that transcend the limitations of language. Traditionally, artistic creation has relied on our physical abilities to manipulate tools and materials. But what if we could bypass these physical constraints and create art directly from our imaginations, using only the power of our minds? MMIs are shattering the boundaries of artistic expression, providing a new canvas for creativity to flourish.
By tapping into the neural activity associated with imagination, emotion, and sensory experiences, MMIs allow artists to translate their thoughts and feelings directly into art forms, such as music, painting, and even dance.
Imagine composing a symphony without touching an instrument, simply by imagining the melodies and harmonies in your mind. Picture painting a masterpiece with your thoughts, the colors and brushstrokes flowing effortlessly from your imagination onto a digital canvas. These are just a glimpse of the artistic possibilities unlocked by MMIs. By bridging the gap between mind and medium, MMIs empower artists to explore uncharted territories of creative expression, pushing the boundaries of art and redefining what it means to be a creator.